for some number fun. You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
Let's make the number blocks.
1 plus 3 equals 4.
Hello, 4. Let's make number block 4.
What do we need?
4 squares for the body, 2 square eyes, 1 mouth, 2 legs, 2 arms, 2 big green eyebrows, and of course a numberling 4.
How do we make 4?
First we make the body. The body is 4 green cubes. Roll a large piece of Play-Doh compound into a ball. Then push the Play-Doh compound down against the surface you're working on to make 4 flat sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flatten the top and the bottom to make a cube with 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 4, we need 4 cubes, so we need to repeat what we did before 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes. Next, we need 2 eyes. The eyes are made up of 2 different colours, white and black. Roll a small ball of white Play-Doh compound, then flatten it with your thumb. Roll a smaller ball of black Play-Doh, flatten it, and press it onto the middle of the white Play-Doh. Because 4 is a square, he has square eyes. Flatten off the sides to make the eyes square. You do this again. White Play-Doh compound, flatten. Small black Play-Doh compound, flatten, and press onto the white. Then flatten the sides into a square. Next, we need 1 mouth. To make the mouth, make a long snake out of the green Play-Doh compound. Fold it in half and pinch at both ends. There we have it, 1 mouth. Next, we need 2 legs. Take a medium-sized bit of green Play-Doh compound and roll it into a snake. Cut the snake in half to make 2 snakes. There, 2 legs. 1, 2. Now for the arms. To make the arms, just repeat what you did for the legs. Roll your Play-Doh into a snake and cut in half. 2 arms. 1, 2. Time for the eyebrows. To make the large eyebrows, take a dark green Play-Doh compound and roll 2 small worms. Flatten with your thumb and flatten off the edges. Finally, we need the numberling. Roll a small piece of black Play-Doh compound into a small snake for numberling 4. Cut the snake in half and bend it round until it looks like this. There, all the pieces we need for number block 4.
Fix them together.
Stack your blocks. Can you make them look like a square? 2 tall and 2 wide. Put the 2 eyes on the front. We put the mouth just under the eyes. Fix the arms to the left side and the right side. Then we fix the legs on underneath. And the 2 eyebrows above the eyes. What are we missing?
The numberling.
Oh yes, of course! Here she comes now. There we have it. Number 4. 4.
4.
Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's green and square. He's 4. Oh yeah! He's 2 tall. He's 2 wide. He's 2 pairs side to side. He's 4 ones in a stack. He's 4 ones on his back. But here's the truth I care to share. He's happiest when he's a square.